Lee, you had to show quite a bit of character there to hang on to the 3 points.
Yeah, I thought Hwlffordd they were good credit in fairness. They controlled a lot of the game. But then I've got to give credit to my players for digging in, showing that resolute character, and another clean sheet.
Pa mor anodd oedd y frwydr yna allan yn yna heno?
Yn bendant gêm anodd, ni'n gwybod bod yn mynd i ddysdim gêm haws yn y cangradd hyn. Ond oedd bechgyn yn neud yn da, amddiffyn yn da, yn 90 munud ac fel nes i ddweud canlyniad gwych, ni'n hapus iawn.
I keep reiterating the same point, 2 clean sheets in a week, 7 points. That should tell the players in there that we can compete. We've got a run of games now, up until the split, that we feel we can get points from. We've performed better this season and lost heavily, than we did tonight. So I want to credit Hwlffordd. I thought they played well, but massive credit to my players as well for digging in there, showing that character and keeping another clean sheet and getting 3 points on the board.